Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hadian katu kat ni benai jong ke Jing Shah Pynïap jong kertong jong ke NCP ha William Nagar u Jonathan Sangma. Sakwe ke Jingja ke Sngewlem ke Laja ha East Jantia Hills District ha ke bau President jong ke Jantia Youth Federation ubak poi penhun majau. Ula Shah Pynïap igi runar ki bom shim lala setiapan itu ke Laja ha ke miet jong ke khat kendai terik mentau benai leber arajar khat perang. Ha ke arpu aterik mentau benai leber nak kaliang ke Civil Society Women's Organization kala penlong ya ke Jing Thang Mombati kum kadak jong ke Jing Sngewlem Halor ke tai ke Jing Shah Pynïap utai Sngewlem jong ke Seng Jantia Youth Federation. Kini ke kenhun kala dawaru nak sorkar bahkan lek kam kloy pan yok kem yaki nong lek kam sniu bat ban penshitom yaki.
Ni dawa bahkan ni ka sorkar kan wat mardor yaki nong lek nong Pynïap bat kidai ban bu dikibri ban nang ban tibet ban dublap yang Jing Shah berfai. Nilai kendo bagi pulet ru bagi DIG ba motor ba ilaong ba the police are on the job. Tengin ay ki ka taka por bikin investigate naman kidon kami ban investigate but ni kermen ba kin lap impoi saka ban lap ya kinong Pynïap ban Pynïap hiu brio kadon kam kadaw ko baklain ba kam dei ba nagwi daw kidai kadaw ko baklain ba kiba le ya kani kidai kibala tebet bat kilaban buri iki iu jongki te namar katangi perpat ik sarkar bukatay ban chimkiay gani.
As an environmental activist, being in the sphere, you see, we are doing for the good of our environment, for our coming generation. So we totally and very in the most severest was condemn such incidents of violence and taking life. You see, we do not have the powers to give life. Who has given us the power to take a life? There may be differences, there may be difference of opinions which we can discuss and sort out, but to take a life for what? For some destruction of our environment or whatever is our reason is not done. It is inhuman, and we appeal to the government that the investigation should be fast-tracked and the most severest deterrent punishment should be meted out. Otherwise, our state will turn to another states of the mainland where we have the coal mafioso, the limestone mafioso, the forest mafioso. So what will be left of our young generations? And he was not for his own individual self, he was doing it for the people, for the coming generation, so that our natural resources, our forest wealth, our rivers, they are all conserved and protected. It was not his personal gains he was doing.
Hakaway pat kaliang hakakerwa belapha shikinong pathai kubor kakasi Students Union Central Executive Council kala penramjur ya ka Jing Shah khat jubor jong Jing M u President ka Jantia Youth Federation haki reu boman hak arpho terek uluber arajar khat prang. Kum keseng ke badani ke jingkit kli nak bentaki para dok parasnam khamtam kitu ki bayeng haka nongrem bantrei nak bentak kia kachan ke jai benrio kaki isu kala penpau ya ke Jing Sosi ke bakrau Halor ke Jing no ke wasiteng por ke jai benrio ya ni urangba u bayeng nak bentak ke bahaka miat jeng ki trai ri trai mulung keseng ke kentu bat kerpat jori ki bor sarkar bagi de penchem kham hakmat ya kene ke Jingja khnang ban yo kem no mardor ki riu thang snam ki bala Pynïap yu te rangba khado khatwai kaseng ka pha ro e Jing Sngewlem sha ka yeng kasem jong ni ri rangba bat ling ba kani ka kerwa ka ki su kalong lakloi ru pan ai ya ka kti kamon kti ka diang na menta ka GYF da ka don kam ha kanu kanu ka por.